Jessica, bro, what the are you doing?
I think I parked in the wrong place.
Aldi! Really need to brush my teeth.
You need to take a shower.
Shout out to Aldi for the toothpaste. We're gonna find out which hospital to stay at.
Yeah.
Greatest backpackers it is. Jessica, you excited?
Well, I'm excited to find a place to sleep tonight
Where you can brush your teeth?
and take a shower.
You really want to take a shower, huh?
I took the shower.
Oh. We're gonna save the world.
I don't want to save the world today. I want to drink. Ain't nobody got time for that.
We're on our way to Cape Byron Lighthouse. Hey, don't drink it all. Don't drink it all, please.
We're here, Chris.
I feel like we need to
Alcohol
talk.
destroys you.
No, we need to talk a little bit more because there's not. There hasn't been a lot of talking on the camera, Jessica.
Yeah, there is. There was talking when I fainted.
When you fainted, what the fuck are you talking about?
Guys, if I don't wake up tomorrow night or if I go to jail, it's his fault. It's a chill day after a few days of some fun.
What's the meaning of fun?
Amusement parks, hostels, going out. I was like, I'm a little tired now. Oh. Do you want some more water?
You have water, dude? Oh my god.
Tomorrow we're going to Nimbin.
What are we doing in Nimbin, Jessica?
We're gonna do some shopping, some cookies, some brownies. You probably won't talk much after that, but
Let's go turn on the camera. Just arrived to Mr. Cape Byron. Today, fun facts with Chris. Hey Jessica, did you know that Byron attracts 1.5 million visitors a year?
no, I didn't.
Did you know that it has a population of 8,952 people?
No, I didn't. I don't give a fuck.
I was just trying to educate you. Where are the whales? I don't see any whales. What are you doing?
Trying to get to come to me. Dude, they are coming. We're not promoting shit, but just in case you guys want to try this. Apparently it's for Christmas. Just like a Christmas cake.
Oh, thanks for finishing the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed what you saw. And some feedback would be nice.
Seriously, not again?
Why you always gotta play with passion fruit like that?
Because you're always
You
talking
ruined
to
the
the
ending,
camera.
you
It's so
ruined the
annoying.
ending.
I just want to hang out. And you're
Alright,
always bloody
it's over, it's over.
Fuck you, man.
Oh, shout out to Brian David Yanga. He's a cool little dude.